Alright guys, I ended the video, but yeah, here's the squishy. Yeah. There. Alright. Next is my watermelon squishy. It is super squishy, so yeah. But it's kind of defected too. Like, look. It's defected. Oh god, 53 minutes and 45 seconds, dude. I am losing time on my camera. Whoa. It is so defected. Yeah, it's defected, but it's super slow rising, look. Not super slow rising, but slow rising. Alright. Always gonna give me out switches. Ooh. We have here a Monster's Ear. It is slow rising. Pack of French fries, which this one is actually kind of cute in my opinion. I like this one. Metallic. It's not really that metallic, but look at these defects. Defect. I don't know if it's supposed to come like that, but if it isn't, then it's a defect. But super slow. Look at this. Ready? So I am going to try to get the Puni Maru pancakes. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's like bear pancakes. I might order in blueberry, not banana. I'm just gonna order in blueberry. Puni Maru pancakes. So yeah, this is my French fries. Next we have, guys, a surprise squishy, which I keep them in the boxes so they don't get defected. But watch this. It's defected. My friend freaking stuck it in a hole of an ice pack and it like ripped its head off. So at least it's not off yet. Alright. Hey, next we have another defected squishy. This one is not defected, but it's kind of like, this is one of my favorites. Like, I don't know what happened to it. Look at this rip. But look how squishy it is. Like, yeah. Bro, it's really squishy. Oh yeah, it's licensed. And so is that dragon. I really want the poop one, the purple poop. So yeah. Alright, two to last but not least. Or third to last but not least here. We have, we'll just do two at a time here. A exploding kitten. It has a little bit of the dirt on the back, but it's really good squishy, and yeah. Okay, this is a waffle. It smells like butter, and it's pretty trash. I'm still gonna like it, but it's squishy, but it's not slow rising. It's missing a lot of sprinkles, as you can tell. But yeah, yes, it is switch. All right, next, but last but not least, is this burger. Look at it. It's not even slow rising. It's squishy, but not slow rising. Look at that. Burger and cheese. I'm missing the lettuce, so yeah. So yeah, guys, that was my squishy collection for today. And a new pancake squishy. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you in a couple days. If you haven't checked out my previous video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Show a lot of support. Thank you guys for the previous support. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys. I'm going to go play on my Xbox, so yeah. I'm going to play. See you guys.